Hey guys, today's video I want to share with you guys some farmhouse style DIYs that I created using Dollar Tree products and some lamb's ear. So the first DIY I'm going to be sharing with you guys is how I turned my spring wreath into my fall wreath this year. I like to reuse my same wreath so that I'm saving money and also cutting down on clutter because I'm reusing the same wreath. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove all the spring wreaths, all the spring flowers from this wreath first. So now to make this more of a farmhouse style fall like, I'm going to go in with some lamb's ear that I found at Walmart for $2. I was so happy to find this because this is a great price for a lamb's ear. And I'm just going to put little pieces around the wreath. I'm not going to cover it completely. I kind of want that beige part of the wreath to show through because I kind of want that woody farmhouse style to peek through. So you can completely cover this, but I'm just going to try to have like a little bit of leaves and have like the beige peeking through so I can see the wood. But yep, I'm just going to go in there and I'm not going to glue this down because again I like to reuse my wreaths. So I'm just going to go in there and try my best and kind of work with it and see what I want to do to kind of pick to kind of put little pieces of the lamb's ear all around the wreath. So once I've got my wreath the way I wanted it to, and actually I had some extra lamb's ear left over because like I said, I don't want to completely cover this, so I did have some left over for decorating some other things. But now I'm going to go in with the pumpkin clips that you can find at Dollar Tree. They have them in orange and then they have them in white, which is the one I picked up to go with this farmhouse kind of neutral feel. And what I like about the clips is because I like to switch out my wreath and reuse my wreath for every season, I could just clip these pumpkins on and not have to worry about gluing them down and having to buy a whole new wreath. So these are perfect to use if you like to switch out your holiday decor when it comes to wreaths or anything like I'm doing, because they easily clip on and easily clip off. And this is how my wreath turned out, guys, and I have to tell you, it looks better in person than it does in pictures. I was having a hard time trying to capture the beauty of this wreath with my pictures. It just wasn't coming out right, and I kept having to adjust it to kind of look right for you guys. It was so hard to take a picture of this, especially on these mirrors, because this is where I have it at in my house, in my front entranceway. I have it on these Dollar Tree DIY mirrors that I made. I made this huge little display out of Dollar Tree mirrors, but this is how it came out. I just love how it came out, but again, it looks better in person than it does in pictures. For the next DIY, I'm going to take this art caddy that I painted white from the Target dollar spot, and I'm going to Mod Podge on this autumn sign, this autumn window cling sign that I have left over from my last project. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll put the link down below. But I'm just going to use some Mod Podge from Dollar Tree. I'm also going to take this gray basket that they have at Dollar Tree, and I painted it white as well to give it kind of like a farmhouse feel. And then I'm going to Mod Podge on the harvest window cling onto that one. And this is how it looks once I've Mod Podged the window clings onto the surfaces. Now this one, the A is off a little bit, but that's okay. I kind of like it anyway. And then I decorated this one with just some pumpkins and some lamb's ear, but you could decorate it with anything you want, candles, any type of things for the holidays. And then for the big basket, I decorated it with pumpkins from Dollar Tree that I painted a light green and white, and of course some lamb's ear. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy Dollar Tree DIY video that I share with you guys. I know that some of these DIYs are really simple and easy to make, but I definitely wanted to share them with you because I love the way that they look in my home. They're really simple to make, but they make such a beautiful statement in my home, so I definitely wanted to share them with you guys. Stay tuned because I still have a couple more fall DIYs and my tablescape that I want to share with you guys so that you can have for the rest of October and also for November. So stay tuned for those videos. And if if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscriber button before you leave this video. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like this video so that I'm able to bring more videos to you guys that you will enjoy. And also don't forget to hit the notification button so you're always notified on all the new videos that I put out. So I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.